Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. Here you can see with me my own 2008 Mercedes-Benz S550 with approximately 200,000 miles on the odometer. You can see she's all wet because the winters here it started raining, and one of the problems of mine is while I'm driving I have to listen to this horrible scraping of those windshield wipers. Let's hop in and operate those wipers. You won't believe how crazy annoying it is. I want to avoid putting on the radio, but I will mute it right here. That should help us. And here the windshield wiper is right here, the operation. Let's hear it. Did you hear that? How awful it is? Peter, how can you be driving with this? Are you insane? So I'm sure you will agree it's time to change them. And I basically waited for you so we can make another video on this Mercedes-Benz YouTube channel. Now if you look on the design, these arms are kind of tucked under this hood. So if I want to work on that replacement, I'm hitting right here. Pretty soon the arm hits the hood. So ideally you operate those wipers and position the arms somewhere here. It will be way easier to work on it. So let's go do that. So back with the key in the ignition. And now I don't think I can achieve that with just using this control. It will not stop in middle, but let's see. Yeah, you see, it always returns. So I have to operate that, and then I have to turn off the key, and that will stop them in the position where you want. So let's do it again. Let's watch them. I will start operating them. Have to get my other hand ready on that ignition. Yeah, that's funny because they don't want to go all the time. But now they are going, so let's see it. Look at it. They stop for you right here, and that should be super easy to deal with it right now. Once again, looking from outside, this is the position. Both of them can be easily reached here from the driver's side. As I said, this is exposed, so you have all that possibility to easily work on this. Now I will bring you right here to show you the detail of this connection. And let's use the zoom and look on it this way. I hope this will be perfectly clear for everybody to see how easy it is to replace them. So if you start moving it this way, I should be able to move the wiper towards to me, and look at it. Of course, very easy. That's how it was there, and that's how it came off. I will show you another detail of that. What's about this angle? It's perfectly visible. That pin, basically, where the wiper is being slid on, and this just keeps, this bracket keeps it from falling off. I have recently started using on all other vehicles which we own this Bosch Pure Vision, and so far they work way better than the wipers I was using in the past. Now I looked up the 2008 S550. The both wipers are the same. and the size it's 26 inches. Now this is the way that windshield wiper comes, and if you look on the system, the way it works, it will not work for our Mercedes-Benz installation. It fortunately comes with these instructions, and there are so many different ways to use it on vehicles. And if I'm looking correctly, the very bottom one, this is our arm on that S-Class. Hopefully you can see the detail of that head right here, how it opens, all these openings, and they say don't use this adapter, change it. So let's do that. It comes with this pouch or bag with a 2 adapters. And if I'm correct, yep, this one says number 6, but this one says 2. And this is what we are going to use. So to use the adapter, I need to remove this entire thing upwards. Yeah, it almost came. I'm just standing behind the camera. Yep, this normally entire adapter which I use on other cars, that comes off, which exposes this. And I need to install, click on it, this baby. Did you hear that? Now we are ready to install this. So basically what we did, we created our own new wiper, 26 inch, with this correct adapter on the top. And I will just come here, and it's that very easy move. I insert it right here and turn it down. Then I can lower it, and voila, I have perfectly installed new windshield wiper. Let me show you the detail. Here is the arm again, and this is the installation area. Fantastic. Is it going to be the same easy? The arm should be right here. Sure enough, no problem at all. This is the old one, and I'm back with the new one. And just turn it down and lower. I can wait to see what will be the difference in that sound of the sweep. Let's go and find out together. Yep. Sorry for all that movement. Now we know when I turn it, they will move. Oh yeah. And that's quiet. And that's without the water. Let's use the sprayer so I'm not scraping dry windshield. Absolutely different. I love it. So now everybody knows that these Bosch Visions are applicable on 2008 S550. You don't have to buy super expensive windshield wiper blades from Mercedes-Benz. That's a good news. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I will keep filming this vehicle. I want to create a lot of videos about this one to help other people with their ownership. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.